What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. In this video, I need to talk about yesterday's price action. Now, I was wanting to shoot the video, but the editor kept crashing last night, and I was like, son of a bitch, so I got to do it this morning. In the Discord, we were discussing the pre-market movement of AMC. And it was looking good. Then there was looked like a little rug pull. People got discouraged and so forth. I was like, relax, people. It's under control. This is almost over. Trust me. And if you need to borrow my confidence, get on my back. Carry you through. Now, during this conversation with people in the Discord, I get a message. Hey, CSI, you're interested in an article about the FBI raiding Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley and all. And I said, fuck yeah, send it over. So he did. And I read it, and it was this article right here. FBI raids short sellers. And it was written February 17th. So I read the article, and I contacted the person, and I told him, I said, look, this is February. This is old news. Everybody knows this already. We know they raided them. Question is now, what was the results of the raid? They were subpoenaed. Did they ever go to court? These are the questions we needed answering right now. Then, never put this young man up to a challenge, because within an hour, he had showed me that AMC was now on a new list. See, everybody was threshold list. Well, I got a list for everybody. AMC is now on as of August 31st on the SEC investigation updates list. AMC is now number one. That means AMC takes priority in the SEC's investigation. All right, and I scrolled through this list and I said, holy cow, all of these companies are being investigated by the SEC. And I scrolled through the list and I realized, and I messaged the guy back and I said, look, you know, out of these 50 stocks, I don't see GameStop. And he said, I noticed. I said, I don't see any meme stock. He said, yeah, I noticed. And I said, so if no other meme stocks other than AMC is on the new updated list for the SEC's investigation, and AMC's on the list, there's only one thing that could mean. It's not a meme stock situation, because no other meme stocks made the list. So the only thing it can be is an APE issue. And I'm thinking that now, since APE has been released and the FTD's report's fixing to come out, but we already know about the FTD's because it hit the threshold list for a few days and so forth. But you get the picture that now AMC, as of August 31st, has topped the list in the SEC's investigation cases. So with that, I love y'all. Be blessed. People, were so close. Let me tell you something else that's happening. The collateral packages. When you see the market doing what it did right here, oh my God. Their collateral packages went to garbage. They have to re-up that. That starts today if the market don't pick itself back up. So hold on. We almost there. Love you. Be blessed. See you in the next video.
Cold red, there's been a glitch in the matrix. They out here wildin' and it's too much, I can't take it. Red pill, blue pill, my mind knew they would shape it. Sound the alarm.